Front seat cushion installation. Insert the front seat cushion into the seat. Zip it up. Insert check into seat gap. Pull the latch under the seat to secure it. Hang the hook under the seat. Fix the head gear on the headrest. Rear seat cushion installation. Use Velcro to secure the cushion. Insert check into seat gap. Rear seat cushion installation requires seat removal. Secure the cushions with straps. Just install the seats on the car. Use Velcro to secure the cushion.